I'm Nick Clements, I'm the owner and founder of YourQS. We're based in Auckland and do work all over the country. We specialise in residential construction, both renovations and new builds. What's different about us is we've developed our own 3D software where we create a 3D model over the top of PDF drawings, or we can import the model from the architect's 3D design package and then use that to calculate out the construction cost. Why we like 3D is it gives visual confirmation of what we've measured, and those 3D elements drive the costing process, so it allows us to calculate out all of the labour, materials, sub-trades, equipment, and anything involved. Costs have been moving up very quickly, and it's quite a challenge for everybody in the industry to keep up. So we've got tools and systems in place to keep track of what's going on in the market price. We do two typical reports, a client report and a detail report. The client report's intended for use by the builder with their clients, or the detailed report, which has a complete breakdown of all of the components involved in each part of the building. We see our role as quantity surveyors to help builders win more work. If we price it too high, they won't win the work. If we price it too low, they'll win the work, but they'll lose money. So our process is around trying to create as accurate estimate as we can for the project, and then present it in a way that's as effective as possible to help the builder secure the work with their clients. Our 3D approach helps with that because we can give really smart, presentable reports to the builder for them to use in their sales process with the client. A lot of builders do their own estimating, but the question they need to ask themselves is, where does their time add the most value to their business? Builders have to be good at a million different things. All we do all day, every day is estimating.